something for the vacuum cleaner on the way through, couldn't we?
And you worked on a market for your first job, didn't you?
On Banbury Market, on a clothes stall. Yeah. I loved it, apart from when it got this cold.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely freezing. You couldn't feel your feet, and the days lasted forever. Now, if my son's watching tonight, he's going to be very disappointed, because in some parts of the region today, some serious snowman making was going on, and some picture-perfect winter scenes sent in from many weather watchers. Thank you so much for these. Now, the radar shows the white where we had the wintry outbreaks of sleet and snow, the blues indicating where we had rain, but definitely in some parts of the region we've got more snow on the ground than others, and where I live, very little indeed. But that may change overnight tonight. The reason why I say may is it's going to be hit and miss, but we are expecting some outbreaks of rain, sleet or snow, which could happen just about anywhere, but they won't be for everyone, and it's going to be chilly. I think we're looking at temperatures between about -1 to +2 Celsius. So the Met Office has issued another yellow warning for snow and ice, the risk of disruption to travel, 1 to 3 centimetres of snow in places, and some icy stretches, especially on untreated surfaces. So tomorrow this little feature moves away. We get this northerly flow, which is going to bring a few more wintry showers our way, but I think on Saturday a lot of fine and dry weather too, with some brightness and sunshine at times, although we will have cloudier spells as well, and it's going to remain cold. We're looking at highs of only about 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, with a brisk north to northwesterly wind. And then on Sunday we've got this ridge of high pressure and this little feature pushing in from the west. So I think for much of Sunday, after a cold, frosty, sunny start, it will be fine and dry. Eventually we will start to see this cloud thickening up from the west, but it should stay dry for most of us during daylight hours. Again, very cold, temperatures struggling up to about 3 or 4 Celsius, but at least on Sunday we will have lighter winds. And then during Sunday evening and night we're expecting outbreaks of rain to move eastwards, and this could turn to sleet and snow for a time, but at the moment it is a small chance. And then a lot of uncertainty from Monday onwards. We could have some wet and windy weather to start the working week, and then some further outbreaks of rain moving in from the west Tuesday through to Friday, but we're not quite sure when they're going to arrive. But what we're more sure of is that with a southwesterly wind it's going to get milder. In fact, by Wednesday we could actually have temperatures back into double figures. Remember that? 10 Celsius is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And some very up and down temperatures as far as overnight values are concerned. On Saturday night we could actually fall below -3. Fast forward to Tuesday night, some of us might not drop below a mild 6 Celsius. Anyway, that's the forecast. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll hopefully see you in a little bit. Bye bye.